We are believing that everything belongs to God, and someone else does not believe in that concept and tries to use what we...
That is wrong. That is the wrong concept.
Well, how do you reconcile, or how do you work out a situation if everything belongs to God? We have to run society.
And then you don't forget that everything belongs to God. Because we have to run society, it does not mean that you forget the real thing.
Well, so I really don't object to that idea at all. But the thing is that the system we're working within has got different concepts.
You should rectify.
We should be sort of rectify. Rectify. The system should be rectified.
It's going to be very hard to get to what you're saying.
It has to be rectified. That I was thinking that everyone should be convinced or understand clearly that anything belongs to God. But there was conception of God. Very. The whole human society and the present combat, majority, they got less, especially the communists. They don't acknowledge the scientists, the philosopher, the scholars, all of that.